To make the spool generator, you would require a plumber's sealing tape, neodymium magnets, insulated copper wire, LED, etc. Now this is the plumber's sealing tape. It has got a very thin white Teflon in it. Once the spool gets over, the tape is exhausted, the brown spool can still be used. It's like a little pulley. Now you wind 800 turns of insulated copper wire used for motor rewinding. This is about 35 gauge. 800 turns. Now the two ends of these wires, you must scrape and remove the insulation unless you see shining copper on both the ends. Attach a LED to both these ends, and this is your electrical circuit is complete. Now take a bamboo stick, poke a rubber piece into it, and then take two cylindrical, strong neodymium magnets, and they'll automatically stick back to back. Spin them to see their balance. They should be balanced properly. On the two ends of the stick, insert two plastic straws. They'll act as stoppers. Now, tape two paper clips diametrically opposite on the white cover of the spool. The paper clips will act like bearings. Now you take the bamboo stick and slip it in the two paper clips. Ensure that the stick spins smoothly. Now this is part of your magnetic circuit. Now you take the spool, the white cover, and put it on its brown spool. Put the magnetic part on the electrical part, and this completes the generator. Now you just lift up and spin the stick. The magnets will spin. There will be a spinning magnetic field, and there will be a small current generated which will light the LED. Amazing model to make. Kids would just love it. Have fun.